Hey, what's up? This is Eric with Get Lowered Cycles. Today we're taking a look at the Öhlins 779 shocks. The 779 is a 13-inch shock, fully adjustable, and part of Öhlins Blackline series. Shocks are black in color with their traditional gold reservoirs. These will mount up to any of the 2014 to present Harley-Davidson touring models. Let's get them on the bike. The Öhlins HD 779 for Harley touring models are top-of-the-line shocks and the best you can possibly get. The 779 STX Pro shocks take the HD 044 and add some improvements, including better hardware, simpler install, and new metal compression adjuster. New to this model are blacked out features, including the shock body, reservoir hoses, and updated reservoir brackets with laser etched branding. The traditional gold reservoirs remain, but do get the updated logo stickers. 12.7mm bushings make it so no more sleeves are required, and thinner mounting washers make for more clearance. Tour packs and other detachable sissy bars and luggage racks can still be used. So there you have it, a quick install and overview of the Öhlins 779 shocks on the 14 through current Harley-Davidson touring models. Don't just take our word for it, head on over to getlowered.com where you can shop for these and hundreds of other products with real rider reviews and feedback. Thanks for watching, hope that was helpful. Hit us up with any questions you might have. We're here to help you get the right parts for your ride. Peace.